Hi everyone, this is a basic introduction to Microsoft Word. Once you start off your Microsoft Word on your desktop or on your device, it can be different in the Windows version versus the MacBooks version. But in general, the Microsoft Word, this is an editor where you can compose your files, you can write some letters, create some documents, create some write-ups, and then you save it in your computer, and then you can use it for different purposes. I mean, whenever you are writing the resumes, for example, for your job applications, this is one of the most important applications that you will be using. So, the Microsoft Word, I mean, you have to remember that it's a licensed product, but for the students, you have the free versions. And just look at your Office 365 package that is subscribed for you at the school. Reach out to the IT department of the school and know about your student version. So, as you open the Microsoft Word, you will see this interface that you see on your screen, on my screen. Now, in general, the first thing that is important to note that you call the top section of this particular particular top section of your Word, the software as the ribbon. So what is ribbon? This is a strip where you see file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, reference, all these things. This is called the ribbons. And I mean, each tab, if you click, you will see multiple tasks related to, I mean, for example, if you click on the files, uh, the most popular thing that you can do here is to save the file. And you know here, I mean, with the Microsoft Word, if you have to choose wherever you want to save the file, but you see that there are options. I mean, your default file format is docx, and there are other formats as well. I mean, the another format is PDF. You can save the file as a PDF as well. So it gives you quite a bit of flexibility. So if you go back now, you have the home. Home contains all the information. I mean, all the formatting stuff that you need for your Word. Let us say you write hello world here. Okay, so this hello world, you can you suppose this is the heading of your document or title of your document. You can use to you can choose the title font here, and then you can choose the heading, like you write the heading and then you write heading one. I mean, there are multiple options here, and then you can start with the paragraphs. I mean, the usual normal stuff. This is my first paragraph. So, I mean, this way you can start using the word. So this is the choice of the font that you can use. The default, I mean, your Word version will choose something as default. My one is choosing Calibri, but you can change it. You know, you can change it to Times, like Times New Roman. Times New Roman, which is very formal. I mean, it is the common. If you write the resume, of course, it's your choice. But sometimes some of the, I mean, if you think about some writing format, documentation format, they choose the Times. I mean, Times New Roman, and then you can choose a pretty good, generous font size because of the accessibility issue. You know, you are presenting something to someone, you are sending some document to someone, you have to make it printer friendly, and also some accessibility should be there. So that's why Times New Roman and 12 font size is a generic one. But sometimes, you know, I mean, different organizations, I mean, you can choose different options as well. It's up to you. I mean, now once you get the software, you can work on that. You can, like, you can innovate on in your own way to find out what's the best font, yeah, of your taste, and you can choose it like that. I mean, there are other ribbons. For example, you have some quick access toolbar just above the ribbon. This toolbar uh, provides some. The quick access toolbar you can see here, just like, I mean, you have some quick access to different resources. You can add or remove certain things there. For example, if you want to set up the email, then on your quick access toolbar here, you will see that email is added, email link is added. Then, for example, if you want to cre- create the open is added. I mean, whatever you want there, you can add at the quick access toolbar. So that's the basic functionality of your uh, quick access toolbar. You have a document area where I was typing. This is called the document area, the big area. There are the status bar located at the bottom. So basically, what happens here, if you look at the bottom of this document, so here, so you have multiple status stuff here. This is at the bottom. The status bar displays the information about your document, such as your page number. I mean, you see page 1 of 1, how many words are there, the text predictions. I mean, several different options. So this is the status bar at the bottom. Then you have the file tab. So I just showed you the files tab. It is like this. You can see the backstage review of your document, and also located in the ribbon, the tell me box allows user to type in what they're looking to accomplish, so you can use that for using the whatever you want to accomplish there. So that's pretty much the interface, Word interface, Microsoft Word interface. So what I want you to do is that from this point onwards, feel free to access, and then you simply keep on experiment it with your own customization. Try to play with these buttons. I mean, you can you can do the show hide stuff here. I mean, whatever you want. So if it is like that, I mean, you can always open it up to show different options, and so on. Like if you just if you just close it accidentally, then you go to the home and click there, and then you can, if you want, you can pin it so that this view, this view of the detailed view of each of the tab will stay forever. For example, if you go to insert, there are multiple options with the insert. If you go to the draw, there are multiple options with the draw. If you go to the design, you have multiple designs. Layout has multiple options. I mean, just go through each of the section and try to understand what are those. Don't spend too much time on exploring just one thing. Just go over as an overview. I mean, this particular section is used for your own overview, own understanding. So just I mean, hover on different tabs and just go through different options. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to the Word interface. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.